Hey there, welcome back to Best Product. In today's video, we're exploring the top 5 best AirPods protective case that combine durability, style, and convenience for every AirPods user. Whether you're after rugged protection or sleek design, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the Wanme AirPods Protective Case. The Wanme AirPods Protective Case is specifically designed for the Apple AirPods 4th generation, offering a tailored fit that ensures optimal protection and style. Constructed from high-quality hard TPU material, this case provides comprehensive defense against everyday hazards such as fingerprints, scratches, drops, and bumps, keeping your AirPods 4 charging case in pristine condition. A standout feature of the Wanme case is its upgraded security lock, designed for ease of use while maintaining a secure closure. This ensures the AirPods case remains safely covered at all times, preventing accidental openings and enhancing overall durability. The case also supports wireless charging, allowing users to charge their AirPods effortlessly without needing to remove the protective cover. With precise cutouts and a front-facing LED indicator, checking the charging status is quick and convenient, whether using wired or wireless charging options. The package includes not only the protective case, but also a cleaner kit, providing everything needed to maintain the AirPods case in excellent condition. Wanme emphasizes customer satisfaction, offering fast replacement support if the product does not meet expectations. Combining functionality, durability, and convenience, the Wanme AirPods Protective Case delivers a reliable accessory for AirPods 4 users who want to keep their devices safe while enjoying effortless charging and ease of use. This protective case blends practical design with thoughtful details, making it an ideal companion for everyday use, travel, or work, while ensuring the AirPods 4 remain protected and easily accessible. Next, at number 4, is the Maxjoy AirPods Protective Case. The Maxjoy AirPods Protective Case is designed to combine style, durability, and convenience for AirPods 1 and 2nd generation users. It features an upgraded secure lock that ensures the top cover stays firmly closed while allowing effortless one-click access. The case comes with a portable carabiner clip, making it easy to attach to a bag, belt loop, or keys, adding a practical touch for users on the move. Crafted from compact carbon fiber material, the case provides robust protection against drops and scratches. The upgraded edge buffer enhances its shockproof capabilities, while the stylish design transforms the look of your AirPods case into a sleek and modern accessory. The addition of a stainless steel keychain replacing the typical alloy version ensures durability and long-lasting use. This keychain allows the case to hang securely from bags or waistbands, helping prevent loss and making your AirPods easily accessible. The Maxjoy case features a separated design tailored precisely to the size of AirPods 1 and 2nd generation, ensuring a snug and secure fit. Despite its protective build, the case remains slim and lightweight, maintaining a comfortable grip and smooth touch without adding bulk. Its combination of practical security, shock resistance, and sleek aesthetics makes it a functional and stylish solution for keeping AirPods safe while on the go. This case demonstrates a careful balance between protection and portability, offering users a dependable, stylish accessory that complements everyday activities while enhancing the overall AirPods experience. Coming in at number 3, we have the Rfunguango AirPods Protective Case. The Rfunguango AirPods Protective Case is designed specifically for the AirPods Pro 2nd generation, offering a tailored fit that complements the charging case while supporting both wired and wireless charging. Its thoughtful design allows users to monitor the front LED indicator light during charging without removing the case, combining convenience with functionality. Crafted from high-quality hard TPU material, the case delivers comprehensive protection, shielding the AirPods from fingerprints, scratches, bumps, and accidental drops. Its upgraded security lock ensures the cover stays firmly closed, preventing any accidental openings while maintaining easy access when needed. Accompanying the case is a multifunctional cleaning pen designed to maintain the AirPods and their charging case in pristine condition. The cleaning kit features a silicone nib for removing dirt from hidden crevices, a soft flocked sponge that absorbs fine dust, and a high-density brush capable of cleaning the earphone sound holes with precision. This combination ensures that the AirPods remain clean and hygienic, enhancing both performance and longevity. With its durable construction, precise design, and practical cleaning tools, the Rfunguango AirPods Protective Case offers a reliable and stylish solution for AirPods Pro 2 users, protecting the earbuds while supporting effortless daily use and maintenance. Our runner-up, at number 2, is the Keybudz AirPods Protective Case. The Keybudz AirPods Protective Case is designed to combine durability, security, and eco-conscious design for AirPods Pro second-generation users. Featuring a secure locking system, it prevents accidental lid openings, keeping your AirPods safe even during drops or everyday handling. Engineered to withstand the elements, the case boasts IP68 waterproof protection alongside military-grade drop resistance, offering reliable defense against water, dust, and impact. Mindfully crafted, this AirPods Pro case is made from 70% certified recycled materials, making it one of the most environmentally responsible options on the market. The rugged anodized aluminum carabiner clip allows you to attach your AirPods to backpacks, purses, or bags, ensuring convenient access on the go. For modern charging needs, the Keybudz case supports Qi-certified wireless charging and provides quick access to both Lightning and USB-C ports, though it is not compatible with MagSafe. With its combination of protective features, eco-friendly materials, and practical portability, this case provides a secure and stylish solution for carrying and safeguarding AirPods Pro second generation. The design reflects a focus on both performance and sustainability, appealing to users who value long-lasting protection and thoughtful, environmentally responsible materials in their tech accessories. Its tough exterior, functional carrying options, and compatibility with contemporary charging methods make it a comprehensive choice for those looking to enhance the durability and usability of their AirPods Pro second generation. This protective case is more than just a cover. It's a practical accessory that balances rugged performance, convenience, and ecological mindfulness for everyday use. And finally, our top pick for the ESR AirPods Protective Case. The ESR AirPods Protective Case is designed to combine style, convenience, and robust protection for your AirPods Pro 1 and second generation earbuds. Crafted for users who value both functionality and peace of mind, this case ensures your AirPods stay safe while remaining easily accessible. Engineered with hybrid drop protection, the case features an ultra-hard outer shell paired with a flexible, shock-absorbing core. This dual-layer defense shields your charging case from bumps, drops, and everyday wear, keeping it looking pristine over time. The case also integrates MagSafe compatibility, with strong magnets in the back that allow secure attachment to MagSafe chargers. This makes wireless charging effortless, supporting a seamless tap-and-go experience without removing your case. Practicality is built into the design with an easy carry strap, a braided cord that can wrap around your wrist or attach to a bag or belt loop. This allows you to take your AirPods anywhere without worry. In addition, speaker cutouts at the base of the case let the Find My app sound come through clearly, so locating your earbuds is quick and stress-free. ESR further enhances the user experience with comprehensive support, including setup videos, FAQs, and a 12-month protection plan. Personalized assistance ensures that any questions or concerns are promptly addressed, making ownership smooth and worry-free. With this combination of protective engineering, thoughtful design, and customer support, the ESR AirPods Protective Case stands out as a reliable companion for anyone looking to safeguard their AirPods while keeping them stylishly accessible. Keep your AirPods protected in style. Check the price link in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more awesome tech accessories and gadget guides coming soon.